Guys, I felt like doing something a little crazy. So I bought some earrings that make me look hardcore. They're not actual plugs, but they look like they are. Ready to go? This isn't a David's Tea advert, but it looks like one. David's Tea. This is Canada version of sheep. Except goats. Hi, little buddy. Oh, bye, little buddy. Oh, these guys are messed. I feel like they would have no problem hitting our car. Yo, what's up, man? This is where the stupid girl's yelling at somebody. Oh, he's sniffing his butt. No one wants to see that. The stupid girl was yelling at the goats and they horned her car.
That'd be funny and worth the video though.
Totally, because I'd say my car got horny. Like, horned. Get it? Get it, dude? Wasn't that funny? Trevor asked me to name one. I named one Jemima. You guys missed it. And that was our adventure of seeing sheep. Goats.
Goats.
Goats. Bye, Jemima.
Bye.
That was great. Oh, it's so cold here. Let's just do a little bit of that.
A little bit of windows up.
All right. That guy at the gas station we stopped at totally washed all our windows.
He did? What a nice fella.
I know. He totally knew we would be vlogging. Guys! Other than the fact that I look so not done up right now, which doesn't matter because I'm not trying to impress anyone. Just kidding. Trevor and I came up with some fun, cool ideas for my vlogs that are going to inspire me to vlog every day. They're gonna have a different kind of outline, but I think that just will help me start this new year with vlogging every day, but it not being pressured. So I'm super excited. And we're going home. And it's almost New Year's. And I'll have to upload all those Christmas vlogs. And it'll be great. Okay. Okay. Oh, beautiful British Columbia. I love how beautiful this is, but we don't appreciate it because it's our own home.
Very beautiful.
It is quite beautiful.
Horses.
Horses? Oh, look, my zoom works. I can zoom into the horses. And the zoom is also so well stabilized. I love it. I love this camera. La 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 la. I wonder if you sing the tune of something in your vlogs or on YouTube if you get copyright issues. Do 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 do.
You have to credit it though. The composer needs to be credited. The company that owns the rights to that composition needs to be credited, but you need to credit yourself for performing live.
Obviously. I am the artist in this situation. That's really pretty.
Yeah.
Here we go.
That ain't pretty. I don't know what is.
Guys, it's a baby bear.
Look in the car.
I know. The mom's just gonna pop out. He's
the little
so
fella.
cute.
He's in the middle of the road.
Oh my gosh, he is like super baby. Like, he is smaller than Taryn. No, baby, where's your mom? He woke up from hibernation and his mom's still sleeping.
Kirby.
That guy's looking at the poor little bear. Oh, oh,
Trucking along.
my heart. I sort of want to hold him, but I know that's terrible.
He would
and
take your face off.
He wouldn't. He'd love me forever and always. Wow.
Look at him trucking through the snow.
I love how you're following him. This looks like an amazing dolly shot right now.
There's my face in it.
This is the story about the little bear who could. He found his mama somewhere in the snow. And then all was happy again. Roar! She comes running at the vehicle. Oh my gosh. He's so little, like he's smaller than a dog.
Yeah, just a little cub.
Like he was born yesterday.
What's his name?
His name's PewDiePie.
You named him PewDiePie?
Yeah.
Just because you want that tag in your video?
No, but that's a great thing. Oh no, we scared him. Oh. Now I'm scared to go pee though. The mom could be anywhere.
In the toilet. Oh, look, it's peeking.
He's peeking?
As soon as we drove
He
away.
must think we're our...
Oh, there he is. Oh, just peeking up over the edge. Let's see if he comes back this way.
Dun, dun, dun.
He's eating something. Found some garbage.
Oh no. Should get him some berries. Just kidding, he has to survive on his own.
If he eats berries, do we eat people's?
Shoot it. What is he eating?
See, Bear.
Bye, Bear. Bye, PewDiePie.
What'd you name PewDiePie?
I don't know, I wanted to name him something like Pew, and then like Pew came into my brain, and then PewDiePie came into my brain, so I just let it happen.
Yeah.
Sorry, YouTube.
You're a Swedish gamer, my little bear friend.
A Swedish gamer. If you see a big bear while I'm going pee, will you video it?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Here's the camera.
He's coming this way.
Go to the bathroom, but I'm scared. He's too close to me. You stay on that side, I'll be on this side.
No, not this way. All the way in. Oh, there you go. His foot. He can get a. Here. Oh. Oh, there he is.
You are too cute. Are you giving him food? No, we thought we were, but apparently nice.
He'll just like this and watch. He'll pop back out. Oh. What's up? Good morning. Oh dear. Oh dear. Hey pal. What you doing under there?
He's under our car.
Take a look.
We started something, Trevor.
What? Throw in your truck? Tiny. Look at him in the face.
I got the plastic seats when I do a swap. He's tiny, eh?
Yeah, picking him up is going to cause him to claw and
He
bite.
shouldn't even be out now.
He's got tiny claws. There you go, only in Boston Park.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He probably got left out. Maybe they got separated or something.
Mom must have got hurt or something.
Yeah, we had a couple get hit by cars.
Well done.
Good job. Why does it smell like ham out here?
Okay, I know about what half of the comments are going to be about, and it's going to be, guys, you shouldn't have been feeding the baby bear. We were there for about 45 minutes. We didn't want to like drive over the bear, so we wanted to try and lure it out. So we were luring it out to help the police officer capture the little bear so that they could do something with him because his mom obviously wasn't around. Maybe she got run over, somebody said. Sad things, but the bear was safely taken away because you guys saw that whole journey. Isn't that so cool? There's a baby bear and I almost touched it. I sort of did. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And my new sort of vlog idea will be starting soon. Why are my eyebrows so crazy right now? I'm just getting so many. Oh, it's you guys replying to my. I'm gonna totally upload a vlog that you guys are gonna enjoy. Yeah, so I'm gonna try something different. It's to help the vlogs be a little more consistent and make it easier for me, and you know, so we can have this more of the time talking. Who does that? Anyway, hope you guys are all having a good day.